Hello everyone, welcome back again to this channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate all returning subscribers. Thank you for your love for this channel. And if you're a new subscriber, please click on the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video. So today I'm going to be explaining the matrix behind the bias tape maker. As you can see, the set I bought has 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are some with 4, there are some with 3 only, but this came with 5 sets. So let's get into the video. So if you check the bias tape maker, you notice that we have number at the back. For instance, this one is 6, this one is 9, this is 12, this is 18, and this is 25. I'm sure you'll be wondering if these numbers are in millimeter or inches. So the thing is, they are in millimeter. For instance, the biggest one is 25 mm. So according to metrics, 1 inch is equivalent to 25 mm. 1 inch is equivalent to 25 mm. Then, for instance, this is 1 inch. 1 inch is also equivalent to 2.5 centimeters. Also 25 mm. Mm is millimeters. You can shorten it as mm. So for instance, this is 1 inch. You start from it. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. So for any, for instance, I measure an object or a client, and I can see something like, okay, maybe at the end of the day I have something like 2 inches, then this, so that will be 2 inches 2/8. So this 25 mm is equivalent to 1 inch. This 18 mm is equivalent to 3/4 inch. This 12 mm is equivalent to 1/2 inch. This 6 is 1/4. 1/4 inch. While this 9 mm is equivalent to 3/8 inch. So for instance, so let's cross check. This is 25 mm. See, 25 mm. This is 1 inch. For the 18 mm, 18 mm is, you can see, 18 mm is 3/4. 3/4 is 6/8. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/8. For the 12 mm, 12 mm is half inch. See, 1/2 inch. That is 4/8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/8. For 9 is 3/8. See, 3/8. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3/8. While the last one, the 6 mm, the 6 mm is 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch is equivalent to 2/8. See, 2/8. 0, 1, 2. 2/8. So that's it. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.